Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today's video is all about the upgrade of heated seats on the VW Golf GTD, and this has actually been carried out on behalf of one of our local main dealers. So the vehicle absolutely stunning, however missing that one perfect spec for our client that was probably installed in their previous vehicle, either from factory or potentially even done by ourselves. But heated seats, obviously not so kind of important for a day like today. However, most of the time in the UK it is pretty miserable weather, so it is really nice to have heated seats added to the vehicle, and that is exactly what this car was missing. So on both front heated seats we've added our heated seat kit, which basically heats the base of the seat, the back of the seat, and has a little switch that we mount on the side of the seat, which gives a low setting, off setting and a high setting, and it's all controlled by the ignition. So basically when the system is turned on, when your car turns on, the heated seats turn on and away you go, and there's zero draw on your vehicle's battery. The install takes a full working day to do in our state-of-the-art facility here in Cambridge, and we do offer hire cars as well. But overall, a really cool little upgrade for the Golf GTD and making it exactly how our client wanted it. But if you want a little bit more info, head over to our website. Got a load more details. Link is in the description below. But also, you guys can just go head over there, search CBS Automotive, and see some of the other upgrades that you potentially can have done at the same time. So thank you so much for watching today's video. If you're interested in getting booked in, drop us a message. All the details are below. I'll see you on the next upgrade.